In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Jira with Slack. Connecting Jira to Slack is a great way to keep your team aligned without constantly switching between tools. Once the integration is in place, you can receive Jira updates directly inside Slack channels and make it easier for everyone to stay on top of issue activity as it happens. Before you begin, make sure you have the right permissions in both Jira and Slack, since this setup typically requires project admin access in Jira and permission to install apps in your Slack workspace. To get started, open Slack either in the desktop app or in your web browser and sign in to your workspace. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand sidebar. From there, click More, then Apps. In some Slack layouts, you may instead see an Add Apps option, so use whichever appears in your workspace. Next, use the app directory search bar and search for Jira. When the results appear, select the official Jira app. It's important to choose the version that matches your environment, such as Jira Cloud or Jira Server, depending on how your organization uses Jira. After opening the app page, click the Add to Slack button. Slack will then show you the permissions the app is requesting. Take a moment to review them so you understand what access the integration needs. If everything looks correct, click Allow to authorize the Jira app in your workspace. This completes the installation of the core integration inside Slack. Once the app has been added, the next part is connecting a Jira project to a specific Slack channel. In Slack, navigate to the channel where you want Jira updates to appear. This could be a development channel, a sprint planning channel, or any team space where project activity should be visible. Inside that channel's message box, type the / command, Jira Connect, and then press Enter. This command starts the linking process between Slack and Jira. If prompted, follow the on-screen instructions carefully to authorize the connection and select the Jira project you want to associate with that channel. At this stage, you're essentially mapping Jira activity into the conversation space where your team already works. That means updates like issue creation, status changes, and sprint-related activity